Error Code C1241 is a diagnostic trouble code that indicates a specific malfunction in your vehicle's braking system. This code points to a problem with the inlet valve solenoid circuit within the anti-lock braking system or electronic stability control module. To understand this error, we need to look at the anti-lock braking system. The ABS uses inlet valve solenoids to control brake fluid flow to individual wheel cylinders, preventing wheel lockup during emergency braking. The hydraulic modulator contains multiple inlet valve solenoids that precisely control brake pressure. When code C1241 appears, one of these solenoids is not functioning properly, which can affect braking performance and safety. There are three primary categories of causes for error code C1241. Electrical problems account for 60% of cases, mechanical issues 30%, and environmental factors 10%. Here's an example of damaged wiring that can cause C1241. Corroded or broken wire connections prevent proper electrical signals from reaching the solenoid valves, leading to circuit malfunctions. Contaminated brake fluid is another common cause. The comparison shows dirty brake fluid on the left versus clean fluid on the right. Contaminated fluid can cause solenoid valves to stick or operate improperly. Error code C1241 appears across different vehicle manufacturers, but the specific components affected vary. Toyota and Lexus vehicles typically involve the brake actuator assembly, while Honda and Acura models affect the VSA modulator unit. Understanding error code C1241 is crucial for vehicle safety. This inlet valve solenoid circuit malfunction can significantly impact your vehicle's braking performance, making professional diagnosis and repair essential for safe operation. Troubleshooting C241 begins with proper diagnostic procedures. The first step is using an OBD2 scan tool to retrieve all stored codes and freeze frame data from the vehicle's computer system. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of the brake system components. Look for obvious damage, corrosion, loose connections, or brake fluid leaks that could cause the C1241 error. Electrical testing is crucial for diagnosing C1241. Check the voltage supply to solenoid circuits, which should typically be 12 volts. Then test the resistance of solenoid coils, which usually ranges from 2 to 6 ohms. Component testing involves using the scan tool to activate individual solenoids and verify their operation. Also check the hydraulic system integrity and ensure proper communication with the ABS control module. Once diagnosed, several repair options are available. Solenoid replacement costs $150 to $400 with 2 to 4 hours labor. Wiring repair ranges from $100 to $300 with 1 to 3 hours labor. Complete hydraulic control unit replacement is the most expensive option at $800 to $2,500. Prevention is key to avoiding C1241 errors. Regular brake fluid changes every 2 to 3 years, using quality brake fluid and applying corrosion protection to electrical connections can prevent many issues. Remember, C1241 requires immediate attention as it affects brake system safety.